Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and Crypto's YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off comments from community in your Bing app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Bing AI and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Bing AI apps on screen, where you can see the profile icon at the top left corner. Just tap over there and now you can see the settings option. So once you tap on that option, you can see the community option at the preference section. So you need to select that option, and yeah, you can enable or disable your comments from here. So basically, yeah, this is how you can turn off comments from community in your Bing AI app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.